Americans should remember that Obamacare is predicated on force and coercion. Obamacare dictates what kind of insurance you can get and makes you pay a fine if you don't get what the politicians tell you you must get. President Obama basically told you you were too stupid to make your own choices. These people that want to dictate to you, they're elitists. They think they know better than you what kind of insurance you'll get.
This legislation, I would ask my friend to confirm, would impact what percentage of the United States economy?
We're talking, I would say to my colleague, the ranking member of the Budget Committee, we're talking about 1/6 of the American economy.
1/6 of the American economy. That's over $3 trillion every single year. When my friend from Oregon tell me how many hearings have been held on the Finance Committee to discuss the economic implications of this legislation, were there 5, 10, how many hearings on this enormously complicated and important issue?
My colleague is being logical, and heaven forbid that that should be introduced into this, because we would automatically assume that on a matter like this, where you're talking about 1/6 of the American economy, the Senate Finance Committee would have hearings. There have been no hearings.
No hearings. No hearings on a bill which impacts 1/6 of the American economy and every single American.
I've got to say we'd have a lot more confidence in getting a solution if there were a single positive suggestion from the other side for a change. Until that happens, there isn't much confidence on our side that the promise of bipartisanship is going to happen. They keep saying it isn't perfect, but they don't put forward ideas for any of the changes. We've been suggesting changes for several years, and we've been told each time that it just needed a little more time, that it was a perfect bill.
I know that families and doctors and hospitals and nursing homes and patients lying in their hospital beds haven't just been sharing their stories with me. They have been begging every Republican in the Senate to listen to them as well. People shared their stories because they want to make a difference. These are stories of families we represent. They are our reason that we are here in the Senate. They are supposed to be our guiding light for the choices we make and the way we vote. Senate Republicans who voted yesterday to move forward with their effort to rip away Americans' health care are not listening to the people they represent. Their vote was irresponsible. It was reckless. It was cruel. It was immoral. But more than that, this was a vote that is not who we are as a country.